How to fix the USB is not working after you have updated your software with the November security update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So if you have recently updated your device in the last few days, you may notice that when you are plugging your phone into the computer, your computer does not recognize the device, you cannot transfer files, or if you have tried to use this USB adapter, you may notice that it's not working. So the issue is that because with the November update, it has increased the extra security. So what you need to do is to swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and tap on security and privacy. And then we scroll down and tap on, so I need to go down and find auto blocker. So tap on auto blocker and then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on maximum restrictions, and you need to turn off maximum restrictions. Now with maximum restrictions, it will give you more security features. However, it also block the USB connections. So if you want to use the USB connection, you need to turn it off. And maybe after you have finished using the USB connection, you can switch it back on. But if you want to fix the issues with not being able to use your USB port, you need to turn off maximum restrictions. Now this will apply if you have recently updated your device with the November security update. And that's it. Give it a try and see how you go. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.